Camping 101. Today we're going to set up the Ozark 8-person instant cabin tent. Comes with LED light and built-in Bluetooth speaker. First thing you want to do is find a nice clearing, flat space to put your tent. Okay, after spreading our tarp, it's now time to put our tent up. Okay, this is the unboxing. This is the tent. It comes with a battery pack. This is for the LED and Bluetooth. Next, you want to stake the legs of the tent down to the ground. You're going to do this all around the tent until it's nice and secure. Okay, now that we got our tent up, let's take a look inside. So we left the roof off because it's nice and shady. So this is where we're going to connect our power box to get LED lights and also to run the Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to make a little upgrade. This is the actual power pack that came with it. It uses regular alkaline batteries, but we're going to replace it for a rechargeable power pack, which plugs in by USB. Okay, so this is the power pack I've connected by the USB. I'm going to turn them on. And there you have the Bluetooth speaker come on, ready to connect. So this is the light switch. As you can see, turns on the lights. So we'll probably put them on a little later when it's darker so you can see what it looks like. Okay, Bluetooth connected as OT tent speaker. So let's give it a test. And there we go. That's the Bluetooth speaker pumping away in your tent.